Do you want to speak English in daily life, but you feel shy or afraid to speak? Welcome to Daily Use English Speaking. This channel is specially made for English beginners and daily learners. Here you will learn simple English sentences, real-life conversations, and easy spoken English for daily use. How to practice with this video. First, just listen carefully. Then, pause the video after each sentence. Repeat the sentence loudly. Practice again using your own name, age, city, and job. Watch the video at least 2 times. Practice only 10 minutes a day, and you will start speaking English with confidence. Now, let's start today's lesson together.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is David. What is your name?
My name is Michael.
How old are you, Michael?
I'm 28 years old. How about you?
I'm 30. Where do you live?
I live in New York City.
I live in Los Angeles.
What do you do? I'm an office worker.
I'm an engineer.
Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, too.
Hi, is this seat free?
Yes, please.
My name is Tom.
I'm Jack. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. How old are you, Jack?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Chicago.
I'm from Boston. What is your job?
I'm a salesman.
I'm a student. Hello, I'm your new neighbor.
Hello. Welcome.
My name is Kevin.
I'm Robert.
How old are you, Robert?
I'm 35.
Where do you live?
I live here in San Diego.
I live next door. What do you do?
I'm a driver.
I'm a shop owner. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Hi, is this your first day?
Yes, it is.
My name is Alan.
I'm Brian.
How old are you?
I'm 22 years old.
Which city are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
I'm from Portland. What do you do?
I'm a university student.
I'm a junior accountant.
Hello. Are you waiting for the bus?
Yes.
My name is Sam.
I'm Peter.
How old are you, Peter?
I'm 40.
Where do you live?
I live in Brooklyn, New York.
I live in Queens, New York. What is your job?
I'm a taxi driver.
I'm a factory worker. Hello. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
My name is Henry.
I'm William.
How old are you, William?
I'm 33 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in Houston.
I live in Dallas. What do you do?
I'm a shopkeeper.
I'm a customer service staff.
Hi, is this your first time here?
Yes, it is.
My name is Leo.
I'm Daniel.
How old are you, Daniel?
I'm 27.
Where are you from?
I'm from Miami.
I'm from Orlando. What is your job?
I'm a graphic designer.
I'm a fitness trainer.
Hello, are you checking in?
Yes.
My name is Andrew.
I'm Joseph.
How old are you, Joseph?
I'm 45 years old.
Which city do you live in?
I live in San Jose.
I live in San Francisco. What do you do?
I'm a businessman.
I'm a hotel manager.
Hi, do you like English books?
Yes, I do.
My name is Chris.
I'm Stephen.
How old are you?
I'm 21.
Where are you from?
I'm from Austin.
I'm from Denver. What do you do?
I'm a college student.
I'm a part-time teacher.
Hello. Nice event, isn't it? Yes, it is. My name is Mark. I'm Thomas. How old are you, Thomas? I'm 38. Where do you live now? I live in Phoenix. I live in Scottsdale. What is your job? I'm a project coordinator. I'm a social worker.
Thank you so much for watching this video and practicing English with us today. Remember, do not be afraid to speak. Making mistakes is part of learning. Practice every day, even just 10 minutes. If this lesson helped you, please like this video. Share it with your friends. Subscribe to Daily Use English Speaking. Do not forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our new English practice videos. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing and speak English with confidence.